Devin has sparked a revolution in the tech world. Devin has emerged with features that have caught the attention of programmers as well as the industry leaders. Just a few months ago, the CEO of NVIDIA had this to say.
It is our job to create computing technology such that nobody has to program, and that the programming language is human. Everybody in the world is now a programmer.
And guess what? It just got real. People started to panic and Devin was all over the internet after its launch.
Cognition has announced the launch of a new artificial intelligence
that they're calling the first AI software engineer.
Software engineers at Cognition AI have developed Devin and claimed it to be the first AI software engineer. It has access to developer tools like a terminal, browser, a code editor, along with other features. Notably, Devin is at the top of the race in software engineering benchmark as it resolves issues at a staggering rate of 13.86%, surpassing all of the previous models that managed only 4.8% at max. Devin can solely train and fine-tune AI models, a feature that's known as AI trains AI. It can navigate unfamiliar technologies, develop and deploy applications from start to finish, and autonomously identify and fix bugs. Though it's just the tip of the iceberg. Currently, Devin is using GPT-4, and it's solving only 13.86% of the problem in the GitHub. But make no mistake, Devin's potential goes way beyond, for there will be more advanced models in the future. The question arises, should we fear Devin? Before AI became a mainstream concern, figures like Elon Musk warned about its potential threats to humanity.
I try to convince people to slow down AI, to regulate AI. This was futile. I tried for years.
This seems
Nobody
like a scene
listened.
in a movie
Nobody
where
listened.
the robots are going to take over and you're freaking me out. Nobody listened.
Nobody listened.
No one.
Why are they trying to replace human labor so desperately? To fill the empty seats in business and save time, they say. What are they going to do about the millions of unemployed people right now, huh? How will it benefit the poor? By taking their jobs? Do you think it's fair what these companies are doing? These so-called business tycoons advertise AI like it doesn't have a dark side. It's like saying a medicine doesn't have any side effects. It's just business. And I'm not saying business is bad, but they saying that the product is the best and hiding the repercussions is undoubtedly suspicious. Frankly speaking, Devin is not something we should be scared of, at least as of now, but it is something that poses a direct threat. Now you may wonder, why am I saying this? Remember this clip? Yeah, the one that was played in the intro. The launch of Devin might not have completely stolen the jobs of programmers, and it might not do something such as that for some time, hopefully, but it did spark the flame for something big. NVIDIA, xAI, OpenAI, all of these companies and their stakeholders, with greed and a lust for money and fame, have been observing this activity from Devin's development. Do you think that they will stay quiet? Of course not. The marathon has only begun. While the victory might be in someone's fate, inevitably, the one that suffers will be us, the normal people. This is the prediction 30% AI publicly makes. With everything that's happening right now, I think it's time for us to return to the good old days of farming. Hello, who's this? Maybe not. A complete revolution and fulfillment of empty spots in businesses, or just a means to steal even what's left of the poor.
You're fired.
The hypocrisy and audacity of these big companies are so hilarious that they don't even care to hide their dirty traces. We are 30% AI, and this was officially our first work on something tremendously big.